Well, this is technically the night of Christmas Eve, but it looks like another year of a foggy Christmas. I already showed this with snow, but I thought I'd get it with fog. Although I'm actually close enough where it doesn't look too bad. All the stores in town have their fancy decorations. I think I'll get close up this year. Looks like there's some other stuff though, just outdoors, but it's not lit up right now. Oh, I didn't realize it was Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer stuff. That's cool. Got the whole set. And the toys. That's really cool. I've always looked at it from across the street. Oh, it's the Grinch. Not sure why these aren't on. A blue snowman. But yeah, it's foggy. You go out about, I don't know, 100 feet or so, and it's just dense fog. Wow, that's fancy. Big vase. It's like 3.5 foot, 4 foot tall. Yeah, you look back on town and extra foggy. I think I'm going to pause the video here though, and I'm going to go walk down that way and show off the Christmas lights. It is late out, so I do need to be quiet, but I didn't show this house when I was driving around the neighborhood. It's pretty cool. The little tree thing has an ornament spinning on top. Oh, there's 3 of them that are spinning. I don't know, walk down to the other houses and then make a loop up back the other side of the park. You can see the fancy house in the distance with the most lights in town. At least I think it's the most lights in town. It's both dark and foggy though, so I have to be careful about cars. Not a sidewalk to walk on, so I'm walking on the edge of the road. Their lights look nice. Camera's swapped out though by the floodlights. Yeah, I think they have the most lights in town. crazy. It's really dark along here. Kind of neat. That tree's really pretty with the net lights, and then the sparkling snowflakes. Oh, and ornaments too. The house looks pretty as well. Unfortunately, these people turn their lights off at night, so I have whatever was caught by the GoPro in the van, and that's about it. Pretty cool. I think I'm gonna pause for a little bit and walk to the next area. This house looks pretty neat. Tree in the window and the lights on the fence. Gotta be mindful of cars. Still a few people out and about. I forget where the other house was that I was gonna look at. Can't tell if there's a sidewalk there all the way or not, so I'm just gonna walk in the grass. Here's somebody with the truck. It might be mud. There's some unpaved alleys through some of these areas. Could have swore there's another area over here, but I think people might have turned their lights off for the evening. I waited too long. Got a fun little tree over there. It's kind of short and round. There's a laser show over here, and I think, yeah, that's pretty much it. Getting blinded by the laser right now. But I think I'm going to call out here. So hopefully that was fun, and thanks for watching.